Welcome to User Video Guide 06, Groups Part 3. In the last two videos regarding groups, we've seen a single customer or single company, and we've seen creation of a customer with branches or multiple offices. In this one, we're going to look at the similar thing of multiple branches, but they could be autonomous. Each branch could have its own network and not be connected to a main one. So it's a bit of a combination of both. As always, we start with group filter. Make sure we're at the top level. We then go to settings, group settings. We add a child. And this is where we add our main title. Ooh. We save and go to group. Now this time we don't create a scan schedule here. We need to check where the agents need to be created, because we need to create an agent for each group that is his own network. So what we'll do, we'll add a child for our first company within this group of companies. Company A we'll call it. And we'll save and go to this company. This company might have a couple of offices, so we'll add a child group. And we'll say office 1 and save. We'll add another child group, office 2, and save. So if we look at our folder structure, we've got the main customer group of companies. Under there, our first company in this group, company A, and hitting the plus sign, we've got there 2 offices. Now we want to go back to the main customer group of companies, because we're going to add another subgroup under this group. And this is company B. We'll save for now. Okay. So let's look at our structure, how it's coming together. Company A, Company B. Go back to our main company again. We'll add another one. Company C. And save it for now. So looking at the structure, we've got the main group, company A, company B, company C. Now company B and C are companies in their own right, so we'd have to go to each one of these and set a scan schedule just for those. So company C first, make sure we're at the right path, scan settings, add a schedule, daily scan. So what we're doing now is creating an agent for company C, because it's its own network and not connected to the rest of the companies. Defaults are fine, hit the save button. We'll go back up here and we'll do the same for company B. We're at the right path. Scan settings, there isn't one set, we'll set one. Defaults we'll accept, and we'll save settings. I don't think I did that for company C, so let's go back to company C and hit the save settings to make sure. So now we've got the main company group. We've got company B and company C, which are independent companies with their own agent, And company A is similar to the one we did in our last video, where it's one company with offices. So we go to company A level and add the scan schedule there. Defaults are fine, it's save, and it save settings. So when I go back to the main customer group of companies, that is the structure we have. Now, a way to check the agents and what you have set up is through agent status. We'll cover this more in details when we talk about installing the agent. But for now, we're highlighted this group level. If I go to view agent status, this means I've got agents for company A, B and C because they're all autonomous. They're not linked together. The only one that's linked together is company A because it has 2 offices. Grouping and agents will take a bit of time to probably understand, but once you appreciate the way the structure is and where you would need to create an agent and how many agents you would need to create, really, but it is one agent per company, whether that company's got branches, offices or one big network. The only time you need to create more is if the companies within a group of companies like here are independent. Thank you for watching.